Hello and welcome to this video about industrial-inspired kitchens design. Industrial-style kitchens are becoming increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. With their clean lines, raw materials, and bold features, these kitchens offer a stylish and functional space that is perfect for modern living. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of industrial-inspired kitchens design and how you can incorporate them into your own kitchen. Raw materials. Raw materials are at the heart of industrial-style kitchens. Choose materials such as concrete, metal, and wood to create a rugged, industrial look. For example, you could choose concrete countertops and metal shelving to add a touch of industrial style to your kitchen. Another option is to incorporate wooden elements, such as reclaimed wood cabinetry or a wooden island, to add warmth and texture to the space. Exposed elements. Exposed elements are a key feature of industrial-style kitchens. Showcase your pipes, ductwork, and electrical systems by leaving them exposed, giving your kitchen a raw and industrial feel. If you're not comfortable with exposing all of your pipes and ductwork, consider adding an exposed brick wall or metal beams to the space to create a similar look. Functional elements. Industrial-style kitchens are all about functionality, so be sure to include elements that will make your kitchen work for you. Consider adding a large island with plenty of storage space, a deep sink for cleaning large pots and pans, and a commercial-style range hood to help keep your kitchen smoke-free. You might also consider adding a pull-out pantry or a second sink to make food prep and cleanup easier. Lighting. Industrial-style kitchens often feature bold lighting fixtures that add to the overall look and feel of the space. Consider adding industrial-style pendant lights over the island or sink, or install a chandelier made from raw metal to create a dramatic focal point in the room. You might also consider adding task lighting under your cabinets to help make food prep easier. Conclusion. In conclusion, industrial-style kitchens are becoming increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. With their clean lines, raw materials, and bold features, these kitchens offer a stylish and functional space that is perfect for modern living. Consider incorporating raw materials, exposed elements, and functional elements into your kitchen design, and choose bold lighting fixtures to help create the perfect industrial-inspired kitchen. Whether you're a fan of concrete countertops, metal shelving, or exposed brick walls, an industrial-style kitchen is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional space.